that's sliding, but it's pretty much it. And then whatever you do on the top, you got to do on the bottom. Okay. Once you get the guide set, you want to try it by turning the machine on. If something is not right, turn the machine off and reset the guides. From personal experience, don't adjust the guides while the blade is running. You can get a nasty deep cut on the end of your thumb by sticking your thumb into the blade. I know that. As a fact, I know that. Because I did that. On my own bandsaw. It's like, yeah, the bottom guide is not quite right. I can do that. I did. I stuck my thumb right. Jesus. And that's pretty much it. Oh, tables on many bandsaws can be angled. So, here, to do bevel, to do dovetails, things like that, some kind of complicated joinery. And the way you usually do it is underneath. There's some kind of lock. This one has a lever like this. The other one over there has two hand screws like this. And then this one has this crank that once I loosen this. I can crank it up to 45 degrees.
So anywhere from
0 to 45. This one is set for 0. Lots of shops set theirs for -10. So like you can go another 10 degrees back that way. It gives you a little more versatility, but then you got to deal with coming back down to 0, with the 0 and out. This one, because it stops at 0, pretty positive. I don't have to worry about it. You should check it anyway with the combination square, like the head of the combination square, to make sure that it's right. Because it might be, this thing looks like it might be a little low, but I don't know. Somebody's wrong there. Is problematic that it doesn't show that the switch died. The last thing is this machine has a emergency switch here. Okay? And what that emergency switch does when you hit it is it hits a little micro switch that turns off the power to the motor, but then there's a brake. It's like a mechanical brake that as I press on this, it bears against the wheel, like a drum brake, but it's just a pad. So if you get into a situation where you need to stop instantly, you would do that. If you don't stop instantly, bandsaws take a long, long time to stop spinning. On the neighborhood of a minute or two, some bandsaws, but when you turn power off, they just keep spinning until they wind down. They're not under power, they're just under rotation. Okay? Don't use the brake if you don't have to, because you'll just wear it out. But what you can do is if you just want to shut the power off and you're holding stuff, you can just go like that and it'll shut the machine off. Right? You don't have to step on it. You just have to hit that little micro switch and it'll stop. And you can